Hey YouTube, my name is Jamie and you're watching Jamie Wins. And before anything else, are you noticing something in my head right now? Oh god, I wish this is my new hair growing back, but this is actually a wig. And to all of you subscribing on my Facebook and Instagram, I would like to thank you for helping me choose this. Remember, I did a survey between this and another wig and I don't know which one to get. And on the online survey, this one prevailed. So I got it and it's a very good decision. Let me show you. It's A-line and it's got highlights. So for today's video blog, I want to share to you the cancer and chemotherapy journey during its earlier stages. Why didn't I start this vlog during the diagnosis and during the earliest stages of the whole chemotherapy sessions? Because it's hard at the time. You don't think about things. You just zone out when you receive a diagnosis like this. To me, I was in denial. I went through all the stages of in denial, I was bargaining, I was grieving. So you don't have time to think and you wonder, oh my God, am I gonna die? Is it gonna spread in my body? I have all these, paranoid thoughts. Parang, alam niyo na, parang breakup, di ba? Pag hiniwalayan ka ng mahal mo, nako, ganyan, may mga hugot na. Ganon. But it's the truth, di ba? Pag hiniwalayan ka, you wonder, is this happening? Is this for real? Your mind still can't process that this is actually happening. And so I never thought of making this public until my first chemotherapy session on January, because I felt that it was too emotionally heavy for me to carry by myself. This is the first video I shot on Instagram after my first chemotherapy session. Take a look. Hi, my name is Jamie. I'm 37 years old and I've recently been diagnosed with stage 2A breast cancer, invasive ductal carcinoma. I just finished my first chemo treatment January 5th and today is the 7th, so I feel nauseous and fatigued, but I'm holding up. Now that I'm looking back, the side effects weren't so bad for the clinical trial. It's very manageable. The fatigue and nausea only happens 2 or 3 days after I get infused, but if I eat well and rest well and take my anti-nausea medicine from my doctor, I'm able to bounce back after those days. I'm just feeling absolutely fine. I was working full-time in a hotel and no one knew that I was on treatment because I'm able to function properly, I'm productive, I'm running errands, I'm just going out. So life was just so normal, except for those days, which I make sure that that's gonna be my day off, just so I could recover. So it's really cool. I'm hoping in the future something like this or better will be developed as far as treatment is concerned, just so it doesn't interrupt with your life, if you know what I mean. Because with the standard chemotherapy, which is the one I did for April and May, oh my God, it was so different. It was just a lot harsher. I actually have one subscriber from social media who asked me if the clinical trial drug worked for me. Very good question. My answer to that would be yes, because my tumor shrank by 12% during that treatment, which is actually not bad considering it's still a trial drug. It's better than no reaction at all. Okay, then if meron kayong mga gustong itanong sa akin na pwede kong sagutin sa mga upcoming video blogs in the very near future, please send them over. I'd be happy to read them out. You may send your questions in my Facebook, meron ding Twitter, merong Instagram, merong Snapchat, or kung gusto nyo dito, you can just write the questions here in the comment spaces below here in YouTube. So sige na, send your questions para masaya, para interactive, di ba? Parang games up late live lang. Games up late live. So I'm gonna get going, guys. Mahaba ng video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm actually feeling frustrated because my energy hasn't gone back 100%. And my doctor said ganun daw talaga, it takes a while for the body to recover. Sa lagay na to ha, hindi pa full force tong energy na to. Nako, imagine niyo kapag full force na, umanda kayong lahat! Joke. Charot! Thank you for following me on social media. It gives me so much inspiration to keep winning if I see you guys believing in me and praying for me and following me. So, tuloy nyo lang yan, ha? Okay? And samahan nyo ako ng pangungulit kay God. Sige na, kulin na natin si God. Handang magdingi si God. Para, di ba? Para win na. Carry na. Alam ko naman guys na konting kembot na lang to. As in, konting kembot na lang, ma-achieve na lahat yan. Okay? Samahan nyo lang ako ng pangungulit at pagtitiwala. O paano? I'll see you again on the next video vlog. Okay ba? This has been Jamie, and I hope you keep praying and keep believing. Bye! Adios! See you soon!